Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to Vlogmas Day 19.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas.
So today is the 18th of December and it's already 7 p.m. I'm gonna be honest with you guys are probably gonna freak out, but I woke up at 4 p.m. today. Kind of crazy. I wanna say that it's unusual for me. It's not like an everyday thing. Of course not, but that does tend to happen to me like every once in a while, which we're not gonna be doing in 2019. We are breaking that habit. Like, I cannot believe I slept that long. But I immediately got up and started like trying to get my video ready to go up today, and like I said, it's 7 p.m. so it's past my upload time already and I still don't have the video finished. Our special guest is actually on the way here, so I have been on FaceTime with them for like a little bit of the day while they've been driving over here because they're driving from the opposite side of my state. So I was on the phone with them for a little bit because I want to make sure to like stay on the phone while they're on their way here, if you know what I mean. So I make sure that they get here safe. It's so hard trying to not use like pronouns. It's like really difficult. So anyway, just know they are on their way. Little does this person know I plan to go get something for them today, and I've been on FaceTime with them the whole day and also trying to edit my video at the same time, but since we've been talking, I haven't really been like really focusing, if you know what I mean. So I just went ahead and straightened my hair really quick, and since we're off FaceTime right now, I'm actually gonna go head to the mall and pick something up for them that I've been wanting to get them for a while now, and I think they'll really enjoy. It's gonna be a Christmas present. So I'm gonna go pick that up. If they try and call me midway, then I'm probably just gonna have to say like I have to go get something that I forgot. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try and think of something in my head to like say if they call and ask where I'm going, but we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try and run over there since it's 7 o'clock and the mall closes around 9. Oh, they just texted me. 3 hours. Okay, so I have 3 hours. I'm gonna go run to the mall, try and get that thing. Hopefully it's in stock. It says it's in stock online. If it's not, I'll probably just have to get like a gift card and tell them that that is what it's for, that they need to order that. But yeah, pretty exciting. I'm excited. Hopefully they have it. Again, like I said, I need to come back here and finish editing my vlog before they get here too. And I still haven't started today's vlog until now. I am just all over the place. You guys probably aren't surprised by now. Also, my face broke out because yesterday, if you guys watched my vlog that hasn't been uploaded yet, my friends and I had a girls' night and we did face masks, and I didn't realize the one that I originally put on was a clear peel-off. Like, I realized it was a peel-off mask, but I didn't realize it was gonna be clear, and I wanted to get like a funny pic for the thumbnail, and both of them had sheet masks on, so I ended up taking out a sheet mask and putting it on top of my peel-off mask. So I had 2 masks on at the same time. They weren't on for that long, but it broke my skin out. I don't know if it was like one of them in particular, probably just a combination of the 2 because you're definitely not supposed to do that. But anyway, I'm going to head out the door. I'll take you guys along with me as much as I can. And we have 3 hours to get this done. So hopefully we can get everything done before that time. So I just got to the mall. She did call me on her way here, like when I was in the middle of driving, and she's like, where are you going? And I was just like, oh, I forgot a brow pencil, or like I ran out of my eyebrow pencil, which I obviously don't think she believes that for a second. She was like, oh, okay. But I don't think she knows what I'm getting her, but she tracks me, and I figured if she tried to track me, if she was suspicious, she would see me at Sephora, and then if I lied to her and told her something else, she'd be like, what the heck, why is she at Sephora? And then she'd be hella suspicious. So I just decided to like come up with something that's at Sephora, so that's what I came up with. I don't know if it was the best excuse that I could have came up with, but that's what I got. I parked kind of far from Sephora too, so it's gonna be a little bit of a walk for me, but the town center is crazy right now. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog out in public because I'm by myself and it makes me really nervous, but I'll try. Vlog a little bit on my phone. I'm walking through. It's so cold and I parked so far. So I just left Sephora and I got the goods. right here, but I barely vlogged anything inside because I am so scared to vlog by myself. Like with other people I really don't care, but when I'm by myself, like I hate vlogging in public. And the lady who checked me out asked me for like my Sephora card. And when she pulled up my name, she was like, Lamia? She was like, I'm friends with your dad. Oh my gosh, I love him. And like we were talking while we were up there, and I never got my birthday points or like my birthday gift from Sephora, so I asked her about it, and she gave me like the 250 points instead because I think that's a better deal. So I got another 250 points added on to like my points, and I already have like 3,000 something, which have been accumulated over a long period of time. And then she also gave me samples too, which they never give me samples. They always give Blaine all the samples and never give me any of them, which is so annoying, but she hooked me up and she gave me like a VIB Rouge scarf or something. I don't know if I would ever wear that, but we'll take a look at it when I get home. It was a good experience in there. I was very quick in and out because I didn't want to spend too much time in there, and I still have to get my video uploaded. At this point, it's probably not going to be up till like 11 p.m. But I got her gift. I think you guys might have gotten a sneak peek of what it is. I didn't really point it out, but you guys can get an idea. So I'm super excited they had it in stock. I got it for her. She's gonna love it. I already know she's gonna love it. I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm gonna head on back home now. It's pretty dark, girls. I put you guys in the corner, but I'm gonna head back home and edit my video, and then the next clip you guys see will probably be me with her. You guys probably have an idea already of who it is, but I gave up on the they thing, so we're gonna say she. But I'll talk to you guys when I get back. So our special guest is probably here, and my phone literally just died mid on the camera on FaceTime with her, and it's taking forever to turn back on. And she's probably like, what is going on? She's probably at my house already. It's been like forever, and my phone is dead, and I disconnected FaceTime from my computer too, so I can't even call her on there. But I know she doesn't want me to go out to the car right away because she wants to do something, and hello phone, hello. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed right now. Oh my god, hello, my phone. Can I please hurry up? Oh my god, my computer is like even slower than my phone, so good. Oh my god, seriously? My phone has never taken this long to turn on. I think I should just go out there, honestly. I'm gonna go out there, I think.
That guy did not say a word to me.
Oh my god.
You don't have any way to see me.
Dude, I literally was talking to my camera. I was like, my phone died, and she's probably here, and oh my god. Sam's in shorts. She's not used to this.
I feel like we're in another state.
So Sam was out here by herself, and there's like a walk-in gate, and there was a guy literally walking right in front of her. And Sam's like, hello, excuse me. Hello, somebody help me. And he's just like not even paying any attention. I know. And I saw it happening when I was walking out, and Sam's like, no, no, okay. Nothing needs to be wrapped because yours isn't wrapped.
Ah!
It's kind of wrapped, but not really wrapped.
No, it's wrapped.
No, I'm talking about yours.
What? Oh, my gift? What? You told me not to get you anything.
I know.
So why did you get me
because
something?
you already got me something. You came to visit me.
Did you really go out to get an eyeliner pencil?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course. What do you mean? I wasn't an eyeliner pencil. It was an eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow.
By the way, Sam shouldn't have gotten me anything because I told her all I want is for her to come.
Well, I didn't know what to say. Like, I'm weird. Like,
it's okay. That's normal though. When you get gifts, you don't know what to do. It's normal.
Yeah, but like, that's so weird. It's gonna seem like I'm so unappreciative.
No, it's not. We're all appreciative here.
Okay.
Gift exchange time.
So you have to open that one before that one.
What do you mean? I have two gifts?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
This one's first.
Sam! Oh my god. I hate you. You did not need to get me two gifts. Or any gifts.
My wrapping sucks.
Okay, good. Mine does too.
This is so weird. I don't know. This is weird.
Oh my god, shut up. It's not weird. She's like hiding her ears and her face.
Yeah, I saw your wish list.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you got one already.
No,
but
I didn't.
I asked your mom if she didn't get you one
was just
either.
talking about it yesterday.
I saw it in your wish list. I'm like, you know what? She needs a new one. So she might as well have something in her house that reminds her of me.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
So, this one?
Yep.
Or do you want to go?
No, go.
Okay.
Let me stall.
Keep stalling. Let's see here. Stop.
Yeah. Because you drink tea.
Oh my god, and I freaking love mugs. I've said it so many times, I'm obsessed.
Those are the oil
And
things.
oils.
Start off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And there's a cookie. Oh my god.
I don't want to open mine.
You have to open it. Yes.
My whole cheeks hurt.
You have to open it. Thank you. I love you. I'm gonna cry. Your turn. All I want is Sam for Christmas.
Okay, so we don't need to do gifts.
Shut up,
No,
take it.
I really like. I'm having anxiety.
I'll turn it off if you
no,
don't like your reaction.
I just don't know what to say to you. Honestly, is anyone like my cheeks hurt? Am I red?
No.
I'm like freaking out.
Do you want to turn off the cameras?
No, I don't even want you here. I'll do it on camera, but I don't want you here.
You'll do it on camera without me here?
Yeah. Go outside. I'm so weird.
Okay, I'll hide. Bye, guys.
No, I don't even want you to see what I'm saying.
You want me to see?
I don't want you to see. I want you to look back and look at it. Go outside.
I want to see your reaction so bad. Please.
No, I'm gonna freak
Tiger.
out.
Tiger. I'm gonna watch it back right away.
Okay. Go away.
I'm so upset. This is gonna be so good. Okay, bye. I guess bye.
I'll let you know if I regret it.
You probably will.
Sending you away.
You probably will. It's fine.
Okay, stay in there, promise.
Promise.
Okay.
Okay. It's gonna be so good!
I know you're listening to me open it. Wow, your wrapping is great.
I did it so quick.
Wow, mine looks like trash. I like this wrapping paper.
Thank you.
Well, maybe if I could open it. Stay in there.
Hey.
Sorry, Tiger, not you. No! Go away! Go away!
Here.
What is this? I'm opening another thing inside it. You better stay away. Don't be peeking anywhere.
The door's closed.
Do you have any cameras hidden?
No. I wish.
You're lying! You're lying! You're lying. Is there something else inside it?
I don't know. Open it.
My hand.
Wow.
No way, because my hands are glittery. Wait. No.
Can I come out?
Yeah. There's no way. There's no way it's in there.
I don't know. Open it.
How do I open it?
I
I don't want to break the
the
box.
side. Oh man, I got tape. I was worried this was gonna happen. Hold on. Yeah. It's from the wrapping paper.
I just tweeted this 2 days ago. Did you see my tweet?
I don't know. Did I?
Wait, but you have to order it online.
No.
They have it now? It's out?
It just came out.
What perfect timing. My ratchet nail, guys, sorry, it came off. No, Lamia.
You opened it so funny. What is that?
That's not how you open it? How do I open this?
She took out the whole inside lining.
Wow,
box.
that's golden.
Oh, thank God it's not broken.
Oh my God, what if it was?
I know, I would have pissed my pants. I was worried. I wanted to open it up.
Oh, you're gonna have to apply it for me.
I got you. I will.
Yay!
I mean, I've known you wanted it, but then you tweeted it, so it's like, I have to get it.
So happy.
Yay!
Oh my God, gift exchange.
Did you regret it?
What? I mean, no, but yes. Cause
I heard your reaction.
if you were here, I felt like it would have been. I would have been like more like I don't want to open it. It would have taken longer.
Aww.
Wow, that was
Thank
really
you.
good wrapping.
Thank
Did you do both?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Because I was gonna give it to you in the Sephora bag.
I'm like, no. I'm looking in there. There's another thing wrapped in there.
I was gonna give it to you in the Sephora bag. I literally ran into the room and just got a random bag, and I was like, I can't make it too obvious because if I wrapped that one, I thought you would have thought it.
No, I thought it was
like
a beauty blender kit. So I'm like, no, I need a beauty blender.
I got her a beauty blender last time.
And it's so messed up. I've still used that only one to this day.
So Sam is in the shower and I finally got up my Vlogmas day 18. Technically, it wasn't up today, but technically it was up in like Pacific Standard Time within the same day, so I'm gonna count it. Like, I'm not counting this as me missing a day because I did not miss a day. It still went up on time in California, okay? So anyway, it would have been up on time, but my computer takes so long to save things. It didn't actually take that long to upload, but it took forever just to save, so that kind of messed me up. But anyway, it's uploaded, so that's good. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'm definitely gonna try and finish editing this vlog tonight because I'm not gonna do the same thing again tomorrow, but I'll definitely be waking up early from now on because Sam's here, and Sam is a morning person, let me tell you, so she's gonna make me get up with her. So I'm gonna get up, and we're probably gonna end up going to the gym too because she's gonna drag me to the gym. I'm basically just gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 19, and oh my god, we're almost at Vlogmas day 20. That's so crazy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow.